Hello everyone, my name is Matheus Barros and I'm going to be presenting this tutorial how to install and use the Bitbucket extension for the Visual Studio. As you can see, I'm using the Visual Studio 2019 Enterprise version, but I'm pretty sure it works the same way for some other older versions. So we can continue without code. And then it's gonna, once it loads, we can see that we don't have any Bitbucket extension in the Theme Explorer. So we go to the top and then look for extension, manage extensions. We click there. We're gonna go to online and then search for Bitbucket extension. Once we find Visual Studio Bitbucket extension, we download it. It's gonna take a little, and then our changes were scheduled, so we can now close the Visual Studio, and then we're gonna see that's gonna pop up this window to install it, and then we allow it. Then it's gonna take a while to download, about 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm good. Oh, I'm sorry. We can modify, and then now it's gonna take about 2 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna forward a little. So once it downloads, we can close it and then open again Visual Studio. We can continue without code again. We can open this. Remember, if the Theme Explorer tab is not showing here, we can go to View and then Theme Explorer, so we can see the Bitbucket logo. So we can log in, and then we're gonna now go to the Bitbucket Cloud, but we're gonna look for Bitbucket Server. So we paste the server name with the port number. So if you are in Jira or Confluence, we can click in these three little things to look for the Bitbucket of our project, and then you're gonna see the server name. So at the top, we're gonna copy sp-jira.cis.fi.edu with the port name 7443. Gonna copy and paste right here, and then I'm gonna enter our credentials. So in my case, it's just mbr241, which is my email, mbr241@fiu.edu, and you can put yours with your password. Once it's here, we're gonna see that we can clone some of the repositories. Probably your professor or Gianfranco showed you which repositories you have to clone. Just make sure you contact them to clone the correct one. But in my case, I'm from EFVT team. I'm gonna clone not only the E-Fort database EFVT, but also the E-Fort PWA for EFVT. So once you clone, it's gonna show in there, and that's it. Thank you guys, good luck.